And welcome everybody. XELA stock on 28 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction. Let's start with that price on XELA stock. So as you can see here, it's going to be on 1 week update, and if we went for 1 week, it's going to be different price prediction explanation about this stock. So it's going to be about the price that has reached in the last part here, 17 cents, since it was on yesterday or in the last week that it has reached. It was about a value of, we focus it clearly. In the previous months, it was about 26 cents. So that means that's going to decrease in momentum. If we went for 1 day, there is no chance for the last stock to increase. It just made a small increase here on the last week here until it reached 38 cents. So it divided by 2 and give us 17 cents. That's what can be done on the last stock to be explained for the technical analysis.